Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix Oblivion Remastered exiting the sewer game crash. So if you're having problems with that and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Actually, as I said before, I had the exact same problem myself and this is how I fixed it. Firstly, I clicked on escape button on my keyboard, so just clicked on escape, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page right here. So now on this page just simply click on system right here firstly, then click on this PC monitor right here. So just click on it and then it should now take you to this page. Now on this page, scroll down in here until you can see the settings right here. All of them are set for me to high right now. Probably, unfortunately, you have the same thing that all of them are set to high right here. So what you're going to do is to go one by one of all of those settings up to this one right here. You're going to go all of those right here and you're going to actually set them to low instead, just so you know. So just set them to low. And by the way, sometimes this can lag, just so you know. So you're just going to you can also set this one to low, by the way, medium or low, I would say, or actually maybe this one, yeah, here, low, as you can see. So all of them right here will now be low, as you can see here. So try this, then exit your sewer and see if that can actually fix this issue for you. This actually fixed it for me, and after that you can change it back to high if you want to and see if if the game keeps crashing. If it doesn't, then perfect. If it keeps crashing, you have to probably keep it at low, unfortunately. But basically this is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.